Top 5 busiest cities in the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Cities transformation when it comes to infrastructures, buildings, skyscrapers, or metropolitans is admirable. Technology, trade, and globalization made the people busier than before. 5 busiest cities in the world. First, New York. This busy and noisy city of New York is populated with 19 million individuals. It receives about 50 million tourists each year and considered the largest American metropolis. Like the other cities mentioned on this list, New York is also an overpopulated city that never sleeps. Second, Tokyo. Tokyo tourist attractions are the reasons why visitors love to visit this place. This city never sleeps literally. Its population is mainly composed of independent business-minded teenagers. A home of Japan's imperial family and a culture center, this city is also considered the busiest modern city on earth. Third busiest city is London. London, one of the busiest cities in the world, has approximately 13 million population. Security cameras were installed anywhere for safety and protection, as this place is at risk of terrorist attacks. Its airport has 1400 flights every day, with 63 million passengers per year. London transport system that includes buses and metro is the world best. Fourth, Beijing. The second largest Chinese city when it comes to population is the city of Beijing. It is famous for being the primary hub for the national highway, railway, high-speed rail networks and expressway. Beijing Airport is second in the world busiest international airport. This city is a home to entrepreneurs who love to sell products of any kind, either old artifacts or new high-tech products. Fifth and the last busiest city of the world is Shanghai. This Chinese city, Shanghai, can be considered as the most beautiful city in the world. Located in the Yangtze River Delta and with 19 million population, its fast-growing Chinese economy could make this city the world's financial center in the future. Shanghai possesses an extensive transport system of metro and buses, and it's a major shipping, administrative, and trading city too. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe. You never missing updates.